Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Ariba Drawing Tutorials. Hello my all viewers watching me from Bangladesh, India, Indonesia, Malaysia and every other country. So thank you so much for being on my video. So let's start. Today I'm drawing a simple sunset scenery. So first of all I'm drawing a straight line and a sun. Now from the edge of the paper I'll draw a vertical line just like this, slightly diagonal, and now I'm drawing a coconut tree on that diagonal line. Here I'm using a 6HB pencil. You can use any simple pencil or any available at your home as it's beginner's drawing. So I'm drawing the coconut tree, its branches, the way I am drawing. Just draw with me. Now drawing the bark of the tree in such a manner. I hope you like my drawing, and if you like, please do comment and give me your suggestions if you have any. I'll surely respond to your comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And how did you find my videos? Please let me know. So once again we are heading towards our video. So I've drawn the tree and now some stones around the tree. Now drawing the leaves of the tree just like this in strokes using the pencil. Strokes must be just right to the curvy line. It looks like clean leaves. Now I am shading a little bit the stones. This scenery is going to be very beautiful. It's a sunset scenery and you will find it very beautiful for sure. Now shading the rocks part and shading the other parts. Now time to shade the river and then the sun. So our video is about to end. The drawing is about to complete. Watch till end. And once again, thank you so much for being on my video. Hit the subscribe button. Allah Hafiz.